Just looking up and down the road because we got another camper coming for Should I Buy It? I'm loving this because people are bringing them to me, and that makes me happy. I just do not have the time to get out and about, but I've got some nice friends that are willing to help me out. So just wanted to get that into you. And she said she is just about here. Looking up and down. Oh, okay. I see her. All right. Let me shut this off, turn it around, and we'll watch her pull up. Oh, boy. We're on a roll, boys. We are on a roll. Oh, my goodness. There we go. You guys remember Nikki of Nikki and Larry fame? Oh, my goodness. I really got to start looking at these before I say it's okay to come by. Boy, oh boy. Oh, let me shut this off and then we're going to take a quick walk around. Nikki, welcome to your first Should I Buy It? You are representing yourself a certain way right now. How would you like to describe that?
Scotty?
Well, how are you I mean, this is your first trip on Should I Buy It? What were you thinking? I mean, were you like, he's going to love this? Or what are you thinking? You're putting the hard sell on now. Let's go over this. Now, the front window, sometimes those can be rebuilt, so maybe so there. This window looks good. I haven't checked the cranks. You know, somebody always wants the Bargman. Like Gary wanted that Bargman that one time, so we keep those and we can pass them out. Those are always nice. It is made in Bristow. It's a 67? Yes. Yeah, 67 13-footer.
The window is here. Just the glass is broken.
Okay, well these are easy enough to fix. We don't mind these early windows. Back window looks real good, doesn't it?
Yeah. And we do have all the lights.
Okay. They hardly ever. There's always a short, but we'll look at them.
This is the best side.
Oh, the good side. Oh, so another no baggage door.
Well,
or
it's here.
Oh well, do you have the key so we can get in? Door number 1. Let's sneak in here. Well, cabin motif. I like it. Boy, this is going to be we've had a couple here lately that have been real good and quick to tear down. Oh, there we go. Okay, price went up. These are good. Sometimes I say these because people ask for them, but I don't necessarily reuse them anymore. Were there any treasures?
No treasures. All the cranks on the windows all work.
Oh, okay. I like that.
And all the interior trim for the windows are good.
Okay.
So there's your...
that door is in good shape. All right.
So, downside, when they put these cabin walls and they blasted the nails all the way through the outside.
Well, we don't reuse the skin anymore. We just need a template, so we'll be okay. That's all right. I mean, that's terrible. Bring the price down.
Too late.
Oh my goodness, people. Boy. Oh, the wheel wells look good. What? Oh, there's more. But wait. What do we got? I saw something back here. Oh, we got the door. Obviously, I'm going to call my boys at Max Aluminum. But the frame was on there, and so that's good. Happy about that. I'll show you real quick. So we don't have a lock, but we'll get a lock. But the frame is in great shape. And we're probably not going to reuse the screen door. We'll just have Chris Abbey make us a nice one. Oh, all right. You know, these look relatively nice. We may try to reuse them. I usually find that there's a short in there somewhere, but these look good. Oh, okay, Nikki. I mean, these are okay. Well, what do we got?
It might be the original.
July 22. Original what? Oh, this.
Yes.
Oh, I was wondering what you were doing with your hand. Yeah, that's original. Yeah, it just there has to be this little plastic piece or glass piece that are super hard to find, but maybe it's laying around. Okay. Well, Nikki, we're going to. I mean, she did drive all the way, and she has helped us in the past. The question is, not should I buy it? How much should I pay for it? That's the question. I'm not going to tell you, but, you know, if you buy it, I might tell you. All right, Nikki, here we go. There's a... Well, you know it already, of course. The camper ranch had to have a 13-foot Scotty in it. You know, I had to do it, of course. I bought it. I love it. Made in Bristow.